I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make it sit. Hi, my night lovelies and gents. I'm back with another video. Yeah. So, in today's video, my nose is itching. So, in today's video, we're gonna attempt to do a face paint video. I'm gonna be blindfolded. So, yeah. That's gonna be the video for today. Sorry, I moved my camera. So what you gonna need is a blindfold so you can't see nothing. Cause if you could see something, then you cheating, okay? And you gonna put this on. Then my girl, she had went shopping for some face paint, and I was like, girl, you don't need no damn face paint. So my girl, what's her name? My girl Rachiana, you know. I love my girl Rachiana. She went to go get some face paint, and let me tell you, dog, she got the gold, okay? She got the white face paint, cause she basic, she a basic Rachiana. And then she got the black, okay? And then she's so dang cheap, you know, cause she could have came to me, you know, cause I take care of though. I take care of my baby. And she got some cotton swabs. She got the ones with the cotton on.
So, I was talking to her, and she was like, hey, babe, you should do a face paint video, but you should do it with your eyes closed. And then I was like, are you for real though? Like, what am I doing with face paint? But then I was like, maybe that's a good idea. And then she was like, hey, babe, you should do it with your eyes closed. Okay? Like, do it with your eyes closed. Because then, you know, they don't want to subscribe. Because you did. And I was like, alright, let's get into it then. So we about to just put this blindfold on. And I'm going to show y'all, alright? Oh wait, first I gotta put the paint on paper so I can dip it. I don't know how this gonna work because I ain't gonna know what color I'm picking up. So if it's like a hot mess, it's because of my eyes. I can't see nothing. I'm blindfolded. So here we go.
I don't know what this looking like, but I feel like it's gonna look stupid. I don't know what paint at. Oh crap, man. Oh crap, I don't know what I'm doing. Did I get some paint? Hold on. Wait. Is that a butterfly? I don't know.
It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's actually alright. So, if you like this video, just let me know. Like, comment down below, subscribe. Hey, bang, make sure you share this video. Leave some suggestions, okay? Alright. So, I hope you guys like this video. And my characters that I just made up in my head. I'm not crazy. So, this is my little kitty cat, meow meow, with my eyes closed. I say it's not too bad. It's a little messy, but that's alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Deuces.